So this routine, when I say like makeup, for me, I don't really use foundation on a daily basis. So whenever that happens, use my favorite Can Make marshmallow powder. So this one, it's just a powder, a setting powder, a face powder that really does the job for me. So on days like this, I still go to work or I have errands to do, I'm going out to see my friends, I just use concealer and then this powder. So with this powder, okay na. I feel presentable already. And somehow it is not like the typical foundation coverage that we get, but it gives the face a radiant look. So if you want to see how this product does the job for me, please continue watching. So basically, I'm just applying the concealer on areas that needs much more coverage. The under eye and the eyelids, to avoid the discoloration. I've already done my eyebrows. I am actually looking for a black pencil eyebrow. If you know something that is not as pigmented as this, please comment it down. I'm okay with local and international brands, so just comment what you have in there. As I am having my hair detoxified, I've been staying away from treatments and hair colors, so it's gonna be staying black for a little while. That's why I'm using black eyebrow pencil, and then we just conceal those areas. And then afterwards, we can proceed with using the powder. I'm afraid I cannot show you the powder, my compact, because it got broken, but to show you how it looks like, I have the refill. I just don't want to throw it out because sayang naman yung product. By the way, this one, it is not as cheap as the other drugstore brands. So this powder, it retails for about, this refill powder, this retails for 650 pesos. And then I think the shade that I have been using is ML. Is that it? Kasi the writings are in Japanese. By the way, this is a Japanese brand, but this is available in local department stores and PC Express. That's where I see it. PC Express is where I usually buy my Can Make products, and then it comes free with a sponge. So there. I've been using this for what? More than 3 years already. And if I am not putting foundation, I just resort with this powder. So I will show you how it works. We start with this side first. So I just apply it using the sponge. Can you see the difference? And then let's apply on the other side. I hope you can see that this product really radiates the skin. And that you can resort with this alone without using foundation anymore. So basically, I go to work just like this. I just apply my favorite blush on from the Face Shop. And then this coral lipstick from Happy Skin. The shade is Honeymoon Glow.